Sometimes you only need to deal with some of your data. You don't need to see everybody, but you need to see cases that meet specific criteria. Google Sheets allows you to do this very easily with filtering. What you do is when you have your data in front of you is you come over and you click on this icon over here, which is the filter. And when you click that, it selects the data table. It puts the column headers and the row headers in green, and you get these little filter icons. Now, you can do a couple of different things with these. You can select text, you can select scores, you can create formulas. I'll show you a two-step selection for the filter so we can find cases that meet particular criteria. So for instance, let me come over here to category. Let's say I only want to see category 1 and 3. I can deselect these other two, or you can do it the other way. You can clear them all and then select just the ones that you want. Either one works. So 1 and 3, and I click that, and you see it. The other ones are filtered out now. And then if I want to do another layer on top of that, for instance, I can come here to score, and I can say, I only want to see cases whose score is above a certain value. Now I could select them manually because we only have a few choices here, but I can also come up to filter by condition, and I've got a lot of different choices here with text and date and values. And I'm going to say greater than, not greater than or equal to, but greater than. And I'm going to put in a 3. And when I click that, the other cases are filtered out. And so now, whereas I originally had 19 lines of data, I'm now down to a much smaller number. Now it's kind of hard to tell because it's hiding the row numbers of the cases that were filtered out. But now I only have the 6 cases that meet my 2 criteria of being in either category 1 or 3 and having a score greater than 3. And so this allows me to find particular cases. Say, for instance, people who have made over a certain number of purchases, or open requests, or people who've been involved an unusually high amount with your organization. This allows you to find those particular cases and give them the attention that they deserve.